This is the unboxing of the Huion 20-inch Kamvas Pro 2019 version. This is the newest version of the Huion Kamvas Pro 20-inch pen display. There are some new changes compared to the earlier model of last year, which I'm gonna show after this video. This is only the unboxing of it. I will get away the box and everything. I will show you what's in the package. I'm doing this with my phone, so it's not the best quality, but it makes it more human, I think. All those fancy, expensive video setups to unbox something that's not from this age. Look, there's a small box. We will open that later. I already know what's in it because I watched some other unboxing videos of last year, which will probably be the same as this year's model. I will get this thing out one moment and then I'll be back. You can see me now. Hi. It feels empty, but it's not empty. No. I'm back. Yes. Look. Something white. And if we open this, we have a Huion 20-inch pen display. Yeah. All nicely wrapped in some plastics. We will open that one later. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh. Look. A white box. Guess what's in it? It's very light. It feels like a pen. Look, a cable. Oh, by the way, I bought this myself. So this is no sponsored thing, because if it's sponsored, you have to have these fancy video setups and, you know, all the thing, and look good, and you have to say certain things to promote the product. No, I just paid it for myself. 550 euros. It arrived yesterday in the Netherlands. I bought it on Huion.nl, also known as Tablet for You, which is the web shop. And these are all the accessoires, like power cables, the donut. There are some nibs over here, I believe. Oh no, they are screws. This is an USB cable. Yeah, you know, USB. And this is also a cable. Looks like an HDMI cable. And this is a VGA cable. Whoever uses this. And this. Yeah, this is it. This is a useless piece of metal. Okay. We're going to the tablet itself, which is quite light, to be honest. And look, there is a glove, and there's a stand. I will take this out of the plastic. Oh wait, it's sealed or something. Let's see if I can open it without any tools. Yes. Look. Something's happening. Ooh, something's happening. And wait. This thing is quite light. If I compare it to a Wacom. Yes, I had a Wacom Cintiq, an old model, but it was about 200 times the weight of this thing. And it looks good. Look, it has buttons and buttons, and I know with this model they can be programmed individually, and you have to peel this off before use. And on the back we have some connections. Okay, and some instructions on how to install the stands. And there is also a sticker. Who knows what it means? Don't scratch or something. And torn this invalid. This is a warranty sticker. If you kill it, you have no warranty anymore. And yeah, the overall build quality feels quite good, to be honest. And it looks good. The stand, I don't think it's important to unbox it, but we can do it. Now, let's unbox the stand. Yes, yes. Look, oh, some more white stuff. It's good for Mother Nature. This will end up in the sea, probably. Not by me, but it always ends up in the sea, which is sad because I love the sea and I love animals, and we people are killing it with all this garbage. I thought I'd get it out without tearing this apart, but that didn't work. No, I have to kill the package. Look, there's a stand. I've seen some other videos, which, by the way, it's a metal stand, which is good, and there is this mechanism that you have to press, I think, or pull. Oh no, you have to pull it. Look, and something is happening, and you can change the angle. So I have to mount that on. I will do that later, and then I will make a preview video. And since I paid for it, I can say whatever I want about it. If I don't like it, I'll just say it. And if I like it, I will praise Huion for a great product. There are some changes to this model and the 2018 model, I believe. This one has a fully laminated screen and a better screen, so better color accuracy than last year, and some other things, but I will talk about it in the next video, which will be probably Monday, because some people have to work in the weekends, and that's me. So wait till Monday and I'll show this product with some ZBrush, Blender Scope, Photoshop, and maybe some other tools. Mostly you see people drawing in Photoshop, making amazing art. I will test this out in 3D programs like Blender Scope and ZBrush to see if it handles that right. We know it works with Photoshop. That is no surprise. But some tablets seem to have problems with 3D programs, so we'll see what it does. I'll see you guys Monday, and I will do a Macintosh review and a Windows review to see if there are any differences. Goodbye.